Hello all. I'm going to show you now how to access the Edmodo app on your tablet, and this will be really useful for sending quick messages to learners or just getting information. So go to the Google Play Store, and the same way you would download any app, click on the little magnifying glass, and I'm going to type, well, it seems to be misbehaving, Edmodo, and you'll see it's the first app that comes up on the left, and we'll click Edmodo. And we'll click install, and we'll click accept, and then once it's finished downloading, you can just press open, and once you press open, it's going to prompt you for your username or password. So you're just going to input your Edmodo username or password, which I'm going to do now quickly, and then I'm going to press login. And then once I press login, it's going to start loading my home Edmodo screen. And then you'll see just quickly a quick little tour. If I swipe up and down the main news feed, you can see some of the groups that I belong to. And then on the left hand side, you've got, at the moment, posts is highlighted. But if you want, and I click that, it will refresh the feed. If I click groups, it'll show you the groups that I belong to, and there's a couple of old groups that I need to still delete, and if I click on this thing over here, it'll show you the groups I've joined as opposed to ones I've created, and then if I click on, say for example, grade 10 maths 15, it'll show me some information about that particular group. So those are the posts that have been made in grade 10 maths lately. If I click members, I can see all the members in the group. And if I click on small groups, I can go further and I can actually see the collection of small groups in the grade 10 maths group. So I can click on, for example, Pat's class in grade 10, and we can see stuff that she sent to only that class and even the members of that class. Then going back to the left hand side, I can click on communities, which is not something we use a great deal of. I can click on progress, and I can click on library. Now, if I go back to my home screen now, I press the home button, you'll see that Edmodo is not actually, oh, it is, it's at the very top here. But if I wanted to move it to somewhere more convenient, say, it's down here, or, for example, I had to move it from the app drawer, then I put it on my home screen. Now, how do I access the app again? Well, I just click on the Edmodo icon, and I'm back into the app. Now the app can't do everything, but it can do a lot of things, and we'll look at in later videos as to other things it can do, like make a posting and stuff like that.